To address these issues, companies like Genentech have collaborated with GNS Healthcare to leverage machine learning and simulation AI platforms, innovating biomedical treatments to address these issues. ML technology looks for patients' response markers by analyzing individual genes, which provides targeted therapies to patients. 2. Finance sector. Today, several financial organizations and banks use machine learning technology to tackle fraudulent activities and draw essential insights from vast volumes of data. ML-derived insights aid in identifying investment opportunities that allow investors to decide when to trade. Moreover, data mining methods help cyber surveillance systems zero in on warning signs of fraudulent activities, subsequently neutralizing them. Several financial institutes have already partnered with tech companies to leverage the benefits of machine learning. For example, Citibank has partnered with fraud detection company Feedzai to handle online and in-person banking frauds. PayPal uses several machine learning tools to differentiate between legitimate and fraudulent transactions between buyers and sellers. 3. Retail sector. Retail websites extensively use machine learning to recommend items based on users' purchase history. Retailers use ML techniques to capture data, analyze it, and deliver personalized shopping experiences to their customers. They also implement ML for marketing campaigns, customer insights, customer merchandise planning, and price optimization. According to a September 2021 report by Grandview Research Incorporated, the global recommendation engine market is expected to reach a valuation of $17.30 billion by 2028. Common day-to-day examples of recommendation systems include: when you browse items on Amazon, the product recommendations that you see on the homepage result from machine learning algorithms. Amazon uses artificial neural networks, ANN, to offer intelligent, personalized recommendations relevant to customers based on their recent purchase history, comments, bookmarks, and other online activities. Netflix and YouTube rely heavily on recommendation systems to suggest shows and videos to their users based on their viewing history. Moreover, retail sites are also powered with virtual assistants or conversational chatbots that leverage ML, natural language processing, NLP, and natural language understanding, NLU, to automate customer shopping experiences. 4. Travel industry. Machine learning is playing a pivotal role in expanding the scope of the travel industry. Rides offered by Uber, Ola, and even self-driving cars have a robust machine learning backend. Consider Uber's machine learning algorithm that handles the dynamic pricing of their rides. Uber uses a machine learning model called GeoSurge to manage dynamic pricing parameters. It uses real-time predictive modeling on traffic patterns, supply, and demand. If you are getting late for a meeting and need to book an Uber in a crowded area, the dynamic pricing model kicks in, and you can get an Uber ride immediately but would need to pay twice the regular fare. Moreover, the travel industry uses machine learning to analyze user reviews. User comments are classified through sentiment analysis based on positive or negative scores. This is used for campaign monitoring, brand monitoring, compliance monitoring, etc., by companies in the travel industry. 5. Social media. With machine learning, billions of users can efficiently engage on social media networks. Machine learning is pivotal in driving social media platforms from personalizing news feeds to delivering user-specific ads. For example, Facebook's auto-tagging feature employs image recognition to identify your friend's face and tag them automatically. The social network uses ANN to recognize familiar faces in users' contact lists and facilitates automated tagging. Similarly, LinkedIn knows when you should apply for your next role, whom you need to connect with, and how your skills rank compared to peers. All these features are enabled by machine learning. Top 10 Machine Learning Trends in 2024. Machine learning has significantly impacted all industry verticals worldwide, from startups to Fortune 500 companies. According to a 2021 report by Fortune Business Insights, the global machine learning market size was $15.50 billion in 2021 and is projected to grow to a whopping $152.24 billion by 2028 at a CAGR of 38.6%. Looking at the increased adoption of machine learning, 2024 is expected to witness a similar trajectory. Here, we look at the top 10 machine learning trends for 2024. 1. Blockchain meets machine learning. Blockchain, the technology behind cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, is beneficial for numerous businesses. This tech uses a decentralized ledger to record every transaction, thereby promoting transparency between involved parties without any intermediary. Also, blockchain transactions are irreversible, implying that they can never be deleted or changed once the ledger is updated. Blockchain is expected to merge with machine learning and AI, as certain features complement each other in both techs. This includes a decentralized ledger, transparency, and immutability. For example, banks such as Barclays and HSBC work on blockchain-driven projects that offer interest-free loans to customers. Also, banks employ machine learning to determine the credit scores of potential borrowers based on their spending patterns. Such insights are helpful for banks to determine whether the borrower is worthy of a loan or not. 2. AI-based self-service tools. Several businesses have already employed AI-based solutions or self-service tools to streamline their operations. Big tech companies such as Google, Microsoft, and Facebook use bots on their messaging platforms such as Messenger and Skype to efficiently carry out self-service tasks. For example, when you search for a location on a search engine or Google Maps, the Get Directions option automatically pops up. This tells you the exact route to your desired destination, saving precious time. If such trends continue, eventually, machine learning will be able to offer a fully automated experience for customers that are on the lookout for products and services from businesses. 3. Personalized AI assistants and search engines. Today, everyone is well aware of AI assistants such as Siri and Alexa. These voice assistants perform varied tasks such as booking flight tickets, paying bills, playing a user's favorite songs, and even sending messages to colleagues. With time, these chatbots are expected to provide even more personalized experiences, such as offering legal advice on various matters, making critical business decisions, delivering personalized medical treatment, etc. On the other hand, Search engines such as Google and Bing crawl through several data sources to deliver the right kind of content. With increasing personalization, search engines today can crawl through personal data to give users personalized results. For example, when you search for sports shoes to buy on Google, the next time you visit Google, you will see ads related to your last search. Thus, search engines are getting more personalized as they can deliver specific results based on your data. 4. All-inclusive smart assistants. With personalization taking center stage, smart assistants are ready to offer all-inclusive assistance by performing tasks on our behalf, such as driving, cooking, and even buying groceries. These will include advanced services that we generally avail through human agents, such as making travel arrangements or meeting a doctor when unwell. For example, if you fall sick, all you need to do is call out to your assistant. Based on your data, it will book an appointment with a top doctor in your area. The assistant will then follow it up by making hospital arrangements and booking an Uber to pick you up on time. 5. Personal medical devices. Today, wearable medical devices are already a part of our daily lives. These devices measure health data, including heart rate, glucose levels, salt levels, etc. However, with the widespread implementation of machine learning and AI, such devices will have much more data to offer to users in the future. Wearable devices will be able to analyze health data in real time and provide personalized diagnosis and treatment specific to an individual's needs. In critical cases, the wearable sensors will also be able to suggest a series of health tests based on health data. They may even book an appointment with a specialist available nearby. 6. Enhanced augmented reality, AR. Although augmented reality has been around for a few years, we are witnessing the true potential of tech now. Microsoft's HoloLens is a popular example. These AR glasses project a digital overlay over the physical environment and allow users to interact with the virtual world using voice commands or hand gestures. However, the advanced version of AR is set to make news in the coming months. In 2022, such devices will continue to improve as they may allow face-to-face interactions and conversations with friends and families literally from any location. This is one of the reasons why augmented reality developers are in great demand today. 7. Advancements in the automobile industry. Self-driving cars have already been tested on the streets. They are capable of driving in complex urban settings without any human intervention. Although there's significant doubt on when they should be allowed to hit the roads, 2022 is expected to take this debate forward. In 2022, self-driving cars will even allow drivers to take a nap during their journey. This won't be limited to autonomous vehicles but may transform the transport industry. For example, autonomous buses could make inroads, carrying several passengers to their destinations without human input. 8. Full-stack deep learning. Today, deep learning is finding its roots in applications such as image recognition, autonomous car movement, voice interaction, and many others. Moreover, games such as DeepMind's AlphaGo explore deep learning to be played at an expert level with minimal effort. In 2022, deep learning will find applications in medical imaging, where doctors use image recognition to diagnose conditions with greater accuracy. Furthermore, Deep learning will make significant advancements in developing programming languages that will understand the code and write programs on their own based on the input data provided. For example, consider an Excel spreadsheet with multiple financial data entries. Here, the ML system will use deep learning-based programming to understand what numbers are good and bad data based on previous examples. 9. Generative Adversarial Network, GAN. Generative adversarial networks are an essential machine learning breakthrough in recent times. It enables the generation of valuable data from scratch or random noise, generally images or music. Simply put, rather than training a single neural network with millions of data points, we could allow two neural networks to contest with each other and figure out the best possible path. For example, when you input images of a horse to GAN, it can generate images of zebras. 10. TinyML. TinyML has revolutionized machine learning. Inspired by IoT, it allows IoT edge devices to run ML-driven processes. For example, the wake-up command of a smartphone such as "Hey Siri" or "Hey Google" falls under TinyML. Also, a web request sent to the server takes time to generate a response. Firstly, the request sends data to the server, processed by a machine learning algorithm, before receiving a response. Instead, a time-efficient process could be to use ML programs on edge devices. This approach has several advantages, such as lower latency, lower power consumption, reduced bandwidth usage, and ensuring user privacy simultaneously. With a surge in connected devices, TinyML will continue to grow in sophistication and become widespread in 2024. Takeaway. Computers can learn, memorize, and generate accurate outputs with machine learning. It has enabled companies to make informed decisions critical to streamlining their business operations. Such data-driven decisions help companies across industry verticals, from manufacturing, retail, healthcare, energy, and financial services, optimize their current operations while seeking new methods to ease their overall workload. As computer algorithms become increasingly intelligent, we can anticipate an upward trajectory of machine learning in 2024.